I'm sure you've heard the news, yawning is contagious, right? But have you ever wondered why we yawn in the first place? Yawning isn't just a sleepy thing, it's a fascinating reflex that serves multiple purposes. It's way cooler than that. It's like your body's secret multitasking tool. Yawning could mean you're tired, sure, or just waking up and getting ready for the day. But it's also your brain's way of cooling off. When your brain heats up, yawning helps regulate its temperature. Yep, like a tiny fan system for your noggin. Pretty neat, right? Plus, yawning is social. It shows empathy and connection. It's like a silent way of saying, I get you. So next time you yawn, take a moment to think about what it means. Ask yourself, am I tired, hot, or just bonding with someone? Science, huh? It's pretty awesome when you think about it.